Hello guys, welcome again. So in this video we will be discussing about crude oil. So when it comes to crude oil, uh, you can either trade crude oil mini or mega. So in mini, this is a margin calculator. So for crude oil mini, you need at least 2,931 rupees to trade one mini lot of crude oil. So you are earning 10 points in crude oil mini, you will be earning 100 rupees. Okay. So each point you will gain 10 rupees. So when it comes to crude oil mega, you need around 30k, and in for Zerodha, so you are using different brokerage, the margin will be different. So if you are trying to book 10 points in crude oil mega, you will be earning 1000 rupees. So it's very easy to book 10 points every day in crude oil. So back then I used to trade crude oil on every day, and I was earning around 8,000 to 10,000 consistently. So I had traded 15 to 20 megalots in a day. So 10 points and 15 megalots is 15,000. You just try to, okay, so start with only with mini lot and don't go with mega lot initially. So once you get going, once you are comfortable, you can go with the mega lot. So be consistent, and I'll let you know how to trade it. Okay. So when you see a sharp reversal, when you see two zones overlapping each other. So here, if you see, this is monthly zone and this is weekly zone, blue color, and again this is daily zone. So all three are close to each other. So which means that it's very strong. So this area can potentially be a strong uh, resistance zone. So you can go short with a 10 point or 20, 15 point stop loss, and if you see the move, this move is to minus 2.19%. Easily it will be around 50 to 60 points in MCX chart. The reason we don't use MCX chart is uh, in MCX they will be covering only from 9:45 to 11:15 or something, right? So we are missing this price action area and this price action area. Sometimes this could be a potential price action. So here it's very choppy, but it is better that you analyze crude oil charts from the trading view, that is the US oil. Okay. uh, Also it is very reliable. When it comes to MCX chart, I have never traded based on the MCX chart, but only this. uh, yeah, when you see a huge, but whenever there is a breakdown or a breakout, there should be a really good volume, guys. Unless or until there is no volume, don't go for it. Okay. And these zones are very well, as I said. So this is after the Saudi attack in the in recent past. So what happened is, just went up and took a support in our monthly zone and then again went up. This is how powerful it is. uh, you see, there is always a rejection from our zones. uh, this is again a 50 or 60 points, guys. It may look small, but in crude oil it's very huge. Even a huge green, this candle is around 15 to 20 points. uh, yeah, pretty much it. It's very simple. Do let me know if you have any doubts on US or crude oil. You can call me to my phone number that I will provide you below. Okay. If you have any doubts, let me know. But make sure you turn on all the indicators. Okay. And also, please don't trade on Wednesday when the inventory results are out. So these 8 to 8:30, please don't trade because they are manipulated. They don't move as per the result. Okay. So you go to investing.com website, they will you should be able to see the results over there regarding the inventory data. And there is a strategy also, I mean, as per the YouTube gurus. But please don't follow it because it never goes as per the result. Inventory data, it the investors, the huge institutes, they just make use of the volatility. They will trap you. So it is better that Even if you put a wide stop losses, it will hit on both sides and will go somewhere. Okay. So yeah, please don't trade on Wednesday. That is 8 to 8:20 or 8:30. uh, yeah, after that you can trade. So if you see, these zones are very well respected. Again, it's very easy. I'm telling you, once you start earning in crude oil, you will get addicted to it. And I was daily trading in it back then when I was developing this indicator. I used to, uh, the development of this indicator costed me a bit. I mean, it costed me a lot. So I had to, earn money from crude oil and invest in these indicators. So for the development of the indicator. So after that, I didn't get much of a time to trade. So yeah, but I'm trying to get back to crude oil because there are a lot of money to be made in the crude oil. So yeah, that is all you need to know about crude oil, I guess. And pretty much the indicator will make most of your job. So you just have to make a trade here. Yeah, that will be all. Thank you.